Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin on 70% damp hair. This balance lets the product absorb without weighing waves down. Work 1-2 pumps of Not Your Mother's Curl Talk into your palms, then rake through mid-lengths to ends. Why? Because concentrating product on roots causes oiliness and frizz. Once distributed, use a wide-tooth comb or fingers to detangle and define sections. Make sure to avoid aggressive brushing. It breaks the wave clumps. Now, scrunch upward to encourage natural pattern, preparing for styling. Once product is in, you move to shaping. Scrunch each section upward toward the scalp to form defined clumps. This encourages the wave memory. If you have dry ends or persistently frizzy zones, add 0.5 teaspoon more product only where needed, avoid the roots. Next, choose a low-heat diffuser or allow air dry, intermittently scrunching to set shape. Doing this reduces frizz and locks the pattern. Remember, patience during drying yields better, longer-lasting waves. You finish by sealing and correcting. Use a light mist or a half pump smoothing between palms to tame flyaways and add shine without weighing hair. If your waves feel limp, try plopping for 10-20 minutes before finishing to increase lift and clump formation. It helps pattern set. If the product leaves a crunchy cast, wait until fully dry and then gently scrunch to break the cast and restore softness. If frizz returns, refresh with a tiny touch of product and scrunch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.